Hi guys, welcome back to another video. I'm Ben Beps, and today we're doing something slightly different to what I usually do on my channel. If you don't know, on Friday the UEFA Euro 2020, which it's stupidly called seeing as it's going ahead in 2021 after all, but they've decided to stick with the name Euro 2020. On Friday, Euro 2020 is starting, so I found out that on the UEFA website they have a tournament predictor. So I'm going to be going through my UEFA Euro 2020 predictions today. Without further ado, let's jump into it. Don't think there's much more to say. How do you think Euro 2020 will unfold? Play the official tournament predictor to score points and take on your friends. Okay, so we have group stages, and then predict the 4 best third place teams, because third place teams go through this year. I forgot about that. Right, so Group A, Switzerland, Turkey, Wales and Italy. Italy definitely topping that. I think Turkey will come second. Turkey have actually got a pretty good squad this year. And then Switzerland and Wales. Despite Bale, I don't think Wales will get out of that group. Group B, Russia, Belgium, Denmark and Finland. Finland are actually not traditionally a great team, but they've actually done pretty well recently, but I don't think they'll be able to get out of this group. Belgium will definitely be topping it. Then Russia. You know, I'm going to put Finland third and Denmark fourth. Finland could surprise a few people, and Denmark, they haven't ever really been great recently, have they? So, I mean, they've got a few good players. They've got Schmeichel, they've got Eriksson, but I don't know. I think Finland will surprise people and finish third in that group. Doesn't mean they'll get out the group stages though. They'd have to do well in third place to go through, and I don't think they will. I think it would just be Belgium and Russia who dominate that group. Group C, Austria, Macedonia, Ukraine, Netherlands. I think we know who's topping that one. Then Ukraine second, Austria third. Is that Macedonia or North Macedonia? Doesn't even make a difference, it's still finished fourth. Yeah, North Macedonia. Okay. Group D, Scotland, England, Croatia, Czech Republic. Now here's a difficult one. If England finish first, they have to play one of Portugal, France, Germany or Hungary in the first round. And no matter who it is out of those, unless it's Hungary, I think England would be going out. So I really don't want England to finish top of the group, but I think that's probably what's going to happen. And then Croatia, Czech Republic and Scotland bottom. Group E is Poland, Spain, Sweden, Slovakia. Spain aren't what they've been in the past, so could there be a surprise? I reckon they will. I don't think Spain are going to do very well this year. So Poland top, Spain second, Sweden third. I think that will be quite tight there though, so Sweden will be one of the third place teams to go through, and then Slovakia bottom. Group F, Portugal, France, Germany and Hungary. I think France are marginally a better team than Portugal, but the way the game's going to pan out, I think Portugal will top this group, then France, then Germany, then Hungary, and Germany will be another third place team to go through. So let me see the groups again. Who will be the other third place teams to go through? Okay, I think Switzerland will be one, and then Austria will be the other one. Okay. Now to the knockout stages. Belgium, Sweden. I think that's going to be Belgium, isn't it? Italy, Ukraine could be tight. Ukraine could surprise them, but I think Italy will win that. So then Portugal, Switzerland, that'll be Portugal. Croatia, Spain, that'll be Croatia. Poland, Austria will be Poland. England, France, unfortunately it'll be France, so England will be going out in the round of, what is that, round of 16. Netherlands, Germany. Netherlands will win that. And Turkey, Russia. I'm saying Turkey because they have got a good squad, like I said at the start. Belgium, Italy will be... That's actually a tight one, because Italy have got a decent squad again this year, so... I think it'll be close, but I think Belgium will win that probably in extra time. Portugal, Croatia. Portugal will win that. Poland, France. France will win that. Netherlands, Turkey. Now that could be a tight one. That could be the kind of game which goes to penalties, and if it does, I think Netherlands will just win it. So it's Belgium, Portugal, France, Netherlands in the semi-finals. I think Portugal will beat Belgium. France will beat the Netherlands. So we have a repeat of the Euro 2016 final, except this time France will win it. Just. That will be a very close game because Portugal have got a very good team, but France will get revenge for 2016. So France are my UEFA Euro 2020-2021 winners in the end, beating Portugal in the final at Wembley. England, unfortunately, go out in the round of 16 to France, the eventual winners. So fair enough losing to the eventual winners. It would have been worse if they'd lost to Germany or somebody who then, well, Germany went out in round 16 of my predictions. That's what I think will happen. So if you've enjoyed watching a slightly different video, me predicting Euro 2020, then drop me a like. Subscribe if you are new to the channel. I don't normally do videos like this, but if you would like to see some kind of reactions or something towards Euro 2020, then that's something I could do over next month. Subscribe if you're new, like I said, turn on notifications, and I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.